Good morning, everyone. Today I'm going to present to you about a fascinating bird that native to Indonesia. The hornbill, as you can see from the image, hornbills are truly unique and majestic creatures. Slide number two. Hornbills are large, colorful birds that are easily recognized by their district, distinctive large breaks. They are found in tropical rainforests across Southeast Asia, including Indonesia. These birds play a vital role in the ecosystem by helping to disperse seeds from the fruit they eat. Slide 3, Hornbill's anatomy. Let's take a close look at the hornbill's anatomy. The most striking feature is the casque, the bony structure on the beak, while the exact function of the casque is still debated. It's believed to play a role in attracting mates, amplifying calls, and regulating body temperatures. Slide number 4, Hornbill's behavior. Hornbills are monogamous, meaning they mate for life. They usually nest in tree cavities, and the female will seal herself inside the nest with a mixture of mud and her own droppings. During the incubation period, the male provides food for both the female and the chicks. Slide number 5, threats to hornbills. Unfortunately, hornbills face numerous threats. Habitat loss due to deforestation is a major concern. They are also hunted to their meat and feeders and illegally traded as pets. Slide number 6, conservation efforts. To put to protect hornbills, several conservation efforts are underway. This includes establishing protect areas, supporting conservation organizations, and raising awareness about the importance of these birds. Slide number 7, con- conclusion. In conclusion, hornbills are truly remarkable creatures that play a vital role in our ecosystem. To do human activities, they face many threats. However, by working together, we can help protect these majestic birds for the future generation. Thank you for watching my dubbing and see you next time.